welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. So if you have been following for a little while, you already know what my channel is all about. But just in case you are watching this face for the first time, please do not forget to check out my previous videos, just in case to keep you updated what my channel is all about. So without further ado, let's just quickly dive into the video. So before we get into the video, as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about which brushes to use for what all purpose. So this will be a complete brush tutorial. I think festive season is all the way around the corner, and I think this is something which is very important for the beginners to know which brush to use for what. So I think that is something which is very important. So without further ado, let's just dive into the video. And before we dive into the video, do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'm so sorry, I forgot my speakers. So if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, you guys will be well updated about what all videos I do put up, and you will also be notified about it. So without further ado, let's just quickly dive into the video. So first thing, where I store my makeup brushes. Now makeup brushes are something which is directly applied to your face, skin, which is something I would say you should be very hygienic about it. So I use this Glam Ego subscription box to store it, and that's how I think it is free from dust and everything. And here are all my brushes. Now this is a brush that I got from Amazon, and I will definitely try and give you the link in the description box because they are the kabuki brushes. I also got this one brush set from Ishita. Babe, I have made a separate video of affordable makeup. I think there I have mentioned this makeup brushes, so you can definitely go ahead and check out that video. But definitely I will give you the link in the description box about this brushes. They were really affordable, like within 500 to 600 ka range, so you can definitely go ahead and purchase. So I've got, I think, 12 brush sets in this, and it came in this plastic. So I kept it in the plastic packaging because that's how I think I will be little bit hygiene about it. And before we get into the video, I think washing the brushes once or twice in every month is something which is very essential. Now I hope we all don't do makeup every day, so I think in a month 2 times washes is fine. But if you are a person who use makeup like everyday basis to go to office and all, I think because we are working from home, so right now what I do is in a month I wash it twice. But if we kind of start going to the office and we use makeup regularly, I think it is very essential that you kind of clean it every interval as and when it gets completely used up, like this, as you can see. So first brush which I will be starting with, this kind of brush. So this is actually called foundation brush, where you can easily blend up your foundation. Now the difference is it will be a kind of angular brush, so I think that is something which is very easy to swirl. Now the foundation, the more you blend, it will develop more color. So I think swirling in this direction is something you will get the best out of this foundation brush. So this is a kind of foundation brush. Next, this is also a kind of angular brush. If you can see, I will give you a close pic of it. It is an angular brush. Now this is to definitely set up your concealer, contour, concealer, because this angular brush is very convenient to set your concealer and also to contour it, like really good. It does the contour part, also the highlighter part. So I think contour, highlight and concealer is something you can easily do with the help of this brush. So this is the second bushy angular brush, I would say. The next thing is this kind of brush. So I think this is best for, usually what I do is the blush part and the bronzing part. And I think this too is something which is very, very, very convenient because this is a flat kind of thing. I'll give you a close pic. This is a flat kind of fluffy brush, so I think blush and everything will be perfect with the help of this brush. I really use this so bad, you can see the color of it. And always I kind of put them in the plastic. That's how I feel hygienic. The next brush is this. Now this is also a kind of angular brush, so I think you can easily do the contour and then blush and also I think the concealer part of it, yeah, you can do with this brush. So I think in this Kabuki you get these 4 completely fluffy brushes. I don't know why I'm fumbling. So fluffy brushes for, you know, foundation, then contour and all of that. So I've already mentioned this. Now we will move into this kind of brush. So this is something which is for highlighting. So this is not a fan brush. I think fan brush is for highlighting, but this brush I use for highlighting because that's how the texture is about. I will come to the eye brush, and I think these are the set of 1 2 3 4 5 brushes. So yeah, 5 brushes, and these are like, yeah. So one by one I'll move to. This is angular kind of bushy brush. So this is to, you know, do the transition one. The next thing is this one, which is a flat end brush. This is for the inner, you know, to set anything of the inner, and then also to blend. Now the most important is this. This is a completely fluffy round brush. I think this is for the proper blending of your eye makeup, like from here in the upward direction and all of that. I use this brush over the, you know, too much. And then this is again an angular brush. This can also be used to do the lower lash line. And this kind of brush, which is like a dome shape, this is to highlight the inner corners like this. Easily it will go into the inner corners. So I think this is what. And I have one more brush, which is a kind of foam. This is also to blend your eye makeup. So these are the brushes. Once again I'll repeat with the eye brushes because that's where the confusion mostly lies. So I'll repeat this. This is completely, you know, dome shaped. So this is for the complete blending of your eye makeup. Second one is this kind of angular brush. This is also to do the inner transition shade. Now this is also a dome, again to, you know, blend it. This is a flat brush to do the lower lash line and also to, you know, point out. If you want to stick on the glitters, then definitely go for this. This is something which is a dome shape, which is a little like a V. So this is to do your inner corners, so it easily reach your inner corners. And this is again an angular brush to, you know, properly do the transition and all of that. So this is a little review. I think this was something which is very important to point out which brushes to use for what. I think this is something which is required for the beginners for a very long time, and I was thinking to make this video, and finally I'm glad I did it. And I think this will go up in the festive season very soon, and I hope this video was really helpful to you. If yes, then do take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like the video, do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care, and happy Karwa Chauth.